Hey there, folks. I bet many of you have faced the scratchy, stubborn feeling in your throat. That gooey, sticky thing we all call phlegm. Annoying, isn't it? Well, guess what? Today, we're going to dive right into some DIY steps on how to get rid of phlegm in your throat. Ready? Let's do this. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! So, what's the deal with this phlegm? Well, in simple terms, it's a type of mucus produced by your lungs and respiratory system. But when it's too much, it can make you feel pretty lousy. A study published by the American Lung Association even discussed how excess phlegm can lead to bigger problems like pneumonia if not dealt with properly. So, it's more than just an irritation, right? Remember when Mom used to make you inhale steam when you had a cold? Turns out, she was onto something. A 2019 study published by the Medical Journal of Australia showed that steam inhalation can help to thin out and loosen phlegm. So here's what you do. Boil some water, pour it into a bowl, add a few drops of eucalyptus oil, lean over the bowl and cover your head with a towel, creating a mini steam room. Take a deep breath and let the steam do its magic. Next up, we have the most natural remedy. Water. Hydrating helps keep your throat moist and can thin the phlegm, making it easier to cough up. So keep a water bottle with you and keep sipping. After all, it's just water, right? What's sweet, delicious, and also packs a powerful health punch? You guessed it. Honey. An article in the Journal of Family Practice in 2020 spoke about how honey can work wonders for coughs and phlegm. Just add a spoonful to your tea or warm water, and voila, you've got yourself a homemade remedy. If you've got a humidifier, now's the time to bring it out. By keeping the air moist, it can help soothe your irritated throat and loosen the phlegm. And if you don't have one? No worries. A long, hot shower can do the trick, too. Feels like a spa day, doesn't it? Time for a little spice. Ginger is not just a cooking ingredient. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. The International Journal of Preventive Medicine discussed in 2013 how ginger can reduce phlegm production. Try chewing on a small, fresh piece or add it to your tea. So there you have it, folks, the lowdown on how to get rid of phlegm in your throat. Now it's time for you to try these out and let us know how it goes. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends who might need it, and drop a comment below. Keep breathing easy, folks.